Fatso. Fatso. Hey, Fatso. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, you cutie. Fatso is going to his forever home. And we're sad, but happy because he's going to one of Jason's friends that's a hunter. And it's a good friend of his. And they're both animal biologists. So we know that this little baby will be taken care of. Oh, you're so cute. It is kind of sad though, because he was a surprise. A surprise puppy. You was a surprise puppy, huh? And we're gonna miss Fatso. He dumped out his water. Aww. Let me check out the back of your shirt there, mister. This is us. If you ever want to check us out, check us out.
Excited to go to your new house?
Cute. Our surprise little boy. So we named Jace, show his tummy. So we named him Fatso because he's the only one in the litter. So we got to have all the mama's milks. All the mama's milks for him. Anyway, we're gonna miss him. Jason, any last words for Fatso?
I'll get to see him quite a bit.
Yeah. We'll be hunting with him because
Probably go to work too.
one of Jason's good friends is getting him. So, you're going to a good home. So you guys still gonna be hunting partners and see each other. Anyway, I love him. He's so cute. There's their whelping box. He spilled water all over. Anyway, this is our basement. It's not done yet. That's what we're working on. Check this out. So fun. We're doing it all ourselves.